Hello, in today's video, I will show you a few keyword tools that will help you rank higher in YouTube, your blog, or your website. The first one that we will highlight and go over is Google Keyword Planner. Google Keyword Planner, you go to adwords.google.com and you'll come to their homepage and you'll be able to sign up for a free account. And this is a free keyword tool you can use to target specific people in your audience. So once you get to Google AdWords, you sign up for that account, you go up here at the top menu in Tools and you click on Keyword Planner and it'll pull us right where we were. And once it loads up, what we'll do is give an example of some keywords. And you can do this, of course, in any category. Let's say you're in the lose weight category. So lose weight. And now you want to get some ideas for maybe topics you could write about on your blog, specific areas in the weight loss niche. And these keywords will help you to do that and target your audience because you'll be able to see 450,000. Wow. And it's a low competition, which is great. And also only 87 cents suggested bid there. So how to lose weight is a good one to pick, guys. Another one, let's keep going down here. Weight loss tips. That's another good one. So perhaps you can have a blog or even a YouTube channel targeting weight loss tips. And also the best way to lose weight, another low one. 74,000 average monthly searches. So Google Keyword Tool, Google Keyword Planner is a nice tool. Many people know about it. But let me jump over to YouTube. Now, if you're creating that YouTube channel, we mentioned YouTube, and take that same niche. This is a little bit of a what they call a ninja hack that a lot of people don't know about this. And you're searching for, again, weight loss ideas. Let's go ahead and kick that in. And this is a keyword, of course, lose weight, but it's really a short keyword. Now, let's go back to the beginning of lose weight. And this is considered how to lose weight, let's say, is more of a long tail keyword. Now, here's the ninja hack that a lot of people don't know about. You can even get the front tail keyword. Let's see here. Let's go back to the beginning by putting underscore. Let's try that underscore space lose weight. Look at that. Now, as you scroll down, you'll see these long tail keywords, but you'll get the front end, not just the front end keyword, but not just the long tail keyword. But this is what specifically people are looking for. How to lose weight fast. And what you want to do is create, of course, once you get your YouTube channel up and running, you create videos specifically on these keywords. Let's click on one of them. All right. Click on it. Look at this right here. Average results, 4,170,000 in that. So you'll have a big target audience in that one. So let's go back. Again, try that little tip there again. Underscore. All right. There we go. Underscore. Lose weight. Let's pick another one here. How to lose weight fast for teenagers. The wonderful thing about this is what they call target audience. It's a niche. It's targeting down, not just lose weight, which is kind of broad, isn't it? But how to lose weight fast for teenagers, or what I can eat in a day to lose weight. That's very specific, and it's honing it down to a specific audience. And you'll be able to rank higher in keywords and topic when you hone in on these keywords. So it's a really nice little hack there you could try. Just wanted to pass that along. And of course, Keyword Planner and Google just to search are free tools you can use Now, if you really want to get a step above the competition, one keyword tool out there, and of course this is a paid tool. Let's just get up here and look at some of the features first. Now, these are analytic reports. This is getting data. They're getting organic research for you, advertising research, display advertising, backlinks, keywords, of course. And some of the tools, you'll get the keyword difficulty. You'll get reports on the keywords that you use and the topics that you have for your blog or website. So basically, you have a whole bunch of data and software by this program called SEMrush, which is a paid keyword tool if you really want to have some advanced keywords and keyword research to be able to even target some of your competition's keywords and see how they're ranking higher, and position tracking. So it's really complicated, guys, and the guys here at SEMrush have all the tools, all the analytical reports to be able to get you to rank higher. And again, it is for a monthly fee. This is like $99 a month that you can subscribe to get the really top-notch keywords and plans out there. So, it may not be for you, but if you're looking to really get that step above the rest, SEMrush is a good tool. But for now, if you're just starting out, stick with these. The Google AdWords Keyword Planner. It's a great way to get that website ranking higher. And of course, YouTube, Google, YouTube, #1 search engines to get those nice keywords that people are searching for. And perhaps you can make more sales. So guys, I just wanted to show you to those tools, and I'll put a link in the description if you want to check out SEMrush and just see what it is. And I think they even have a 7-day trial for free, and if you don't like it, you can cancel and all that. So hopefully these tips were helpful, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.